Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my Mexican street hot dogs. So if you want to learn how I make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. We're going to begin by making a chipotle sauce. To a blender cup, add the chipotles. I'm using about half a can. Along with that, 1 garlic clove, the juice of half a lime, media crema or crema mexicana, sour cream, mayo, salt, and black pepper. Now we're just going to be blending into smooth. So once we have that, now we can transfer it to a squeeze bottle. Okay, and once we have that, we can set it to the side. Now for my hot dogs, I like to create some slits all around and just wrap it in bacon. Make sure to tuck the ends so like that it doesn't unwrap while we cook them. And we repeat with the rest of our hot dogs. And once we have it, we can get ready to take it to the stove. Okay, so here I have my pan over medium-low heat. It's nice and hot. Now we're just going to be placing our hot dogs steamed down. And we're going to be cooking them for about 12 minutes or until our bacon is fully cooked all around. So once the side has cooked, we're going to begin to rotate them. And just allow that side to cook. Okay, so once our hot dogs have cooked halfway, we're going to get ready to add our vegetables. So just make sure that you're continuing rotating the hot dog so like that all of the bacon cooks nice and even. And here I'm going to be adding my red bell pepper, jalapeno, and onion. And we're just going to allow them to cook. Okay, so once the bacon has cooked all around and our vegetables are nice and soft, now we can get ready to prepare our buns. Okay, so once we have it, now we're going to open our bun, put our hot dog, top it with our vegetables, going to add our chipotle sauce, crema mexicana, and nacho cheese sauce. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that these are seriously so simple, yet so delicious. So hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. The vegetables, the chipotle sauce, perfect combination. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I made my super easy and delicious Mexican street hot dogs. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.